I am Ambassador Engineer Obisike Okechukwu Elechi, the Director, Global Varsity. Global Varsity is an institute of continuous and vocational education, Port Harcourt, Nigeria. The reading and writing expert. Our vision is to wipe out illiteracy in Nigeria, and our mission is to establish centers virtually in every local government in Nigeria through partnerships and sponsorships. Global Varsity is an accredited NGO for mass literacy in Nigeria by NOGAS and MEC Abuja. NOGAS, Non-Governmental Association for Literacy Support Services, and MEC, National Commission for Mass Education, Abuja. Global Varsity was established in 2001 by me personally, Ambassador Engineer Obisike Okechukwu Elechi, the Literacy Ambassador, in 2001. Today, this year will make us 20 good years that we launched our first mass literacy project, Vision 2020. And this project, Vision 2020, by special grace of God, we have worked assiduously and have made tremendous progress. Global Varsity have trained over 50,000 adult illiterates and have spent more than 300 million naira single-handedly within this period. We are about to start the second mass literacy project, Project 2030, Abuja Mass Literacy Revolution Project 2030. By special grace of God, we chose Abuja because we believe that Abuja is the center of Nigeria, the capital city of Nigeria. And we believe that all the people that matters in Nigeria are in Abuja. And therefore, we know that whatever we do, we want to use Abuja as a model, so that whatever we do in Abuja, we transmit, we spread down to other parts of the country, Nigeria. So, what do we intend to do in Abuja? Global Varsity want to launch an aggressive mass literacy campaign or stroke advocacy. Aggressive, using our campaign very. Also, we want to empower, we want to do literacy empowerment for thousands of people, at least 10,000 or more each year within Abuja and its neighborhood. How do we intend to achieve this? Yes, Global Varsity is calling for an aggressive collaboration, partnerships with governors, House of Rep members, senators, captains of industries, pastors of churches. So we want to partner with imams of mosque, NGOs, both national and international NGOs, and then all well-meaning Nigerians. Our plan is that we have program structure such that if you want to train 20, those that will train 50, 100, and in their thousands, according to one's ability and capacity. We want to mop up all these things so that at the end of the day, we will be able to gather as many that is possible through sponsorships and partnerships. What method to be used? We intend to use Global Varsity unique methodology, African well-organized and dramatized method of teaching as enshrined in our Global Varsity manual. This method has been tested for over 19 years and is very effective and efficient in handling basic literacy. Global Varsity methodology is one of the best methodology that has ever discovered in the whole world. We want to prove to Nigerians and the world that we have gotten the solution to mass literacy problem in Nigeria. What is the cost of running this program or project? The cost of running this program depends on how many literacy centers or how many learners that are involved. After a careful consideration and calculation to a manageable degree, we decided that 10,000 naira will be okay to train a learner for 1 year and for manageable, and 15,000 for standard. The difference between standard and manageable is that a standard will give them t-shirt, that's 2 polos for them to wear as program uniform. While for the manageable, they will not use it. What we intend to achieve in this our Abuja Mass Literacy Revolution Program 2030, we intend to empower thousands of adult illiterates, empower them literacy-wise, and at the same time create jobs for the facilitators and workers, people that will do this job for us. And at the same time to reduce illiteracy, the outcome, a lot of women will learn how to read and write and be able to manage their family, manage their petty businesses, and at the same time handle drug prescriptions and so many other benefits that are literacy benefits. So how do we plan to mobilize these learners? The question is, do we really have the population? Global Varsity will say, yes, our experience shows that truly we have the population of these adult and youth illiterates. Just like the Minister of Education said, Adamu, who said that 75 million people are illiterate in Nigeria, and that is too high and is not good for the country. Vanguard newspaper, 21st September 2017. So we have the population, and Global Varsity has a different method of mobilizing adult learners or learners. We have our campaign, numerous campaign vehicles we use to do grassroots literacy awareness, moving from house to house, street to street, park to park, all around the states, gathering people, sharing handbills, using Takraya method, although depending on the environment. We know how to mobilize learners. How long is the study duration? Our study duration is such that we spend 1 year. We say that within 1 year, the university will be able to train stark illiterates to become literates, learn how to read and write effectively, do their little numerics. What is the program capacity and structure? Global Varsity has a structure, a unique structure. Global Varsity has a unique structure of 4 classes, 2 for basic literacy, 1 for post-literacy, and 1 for continuing education. That is our structure. 4 classes per center. And the capacity is 4 teachers with a secretary stroke cleaner who takes care of the environment, meaning that 5 staff for one center. So that's our structure. And how much do we pay these facilitators? We have part-time and full-time. If the program is part-time, it then means that it is 2 sections. We run 2 sections, afternoon and evening. Then if it is full-time, we run 4 sections, morning, afternoon, evening, and night. That is it. So part-time facilitators, we pay them 20 or less, and full-time facilitators, we pay them 30 or more. Global Varsity, our claim. Global Varsity is saying that we have a methodology that can teach stark illiterate how to read and write within 1 year at most. Global Varsity has a unique methodology that can compress formal program of 6 years to 1 year. So we are saying we want to be challenged. Whoever that want to challenge us should come and challenge us. With 30, 50, 100 or thousands of persons, we promise we are going to deliver within 1 year period for basic literacy, post-literacy, and continuing education based on the individual ability. Because some people will start the race at the same time, some will stop, some will within the 1 year will finish basic literacy, while some will finish post-literacy, and some they will be in their continuing education classes. Our promise. Global Varsity for the past 20 years have trained more than 50,000 adult illiterates, and have spent over 300 million naira single-handedly without any support from the government or any NGO. And today, We promise that any money given to us, we promise to use it judiciously, spend it wisely, because mass literacy is our calling, mass literacy is our ministry. We are inspired and commissioned by God for this project. Our recommendations. Global Varsity is saying we recommend that our methodology of handling basic literacy, our books, DVDs, and videos, and methods should be adopted as a nationwide mass literacy materials, books, and DVDs or methods in Nigeria. Which is why I presented a paper in the annual National Conference of the Nigerian National Council for Adult Education, NNCAE, held on 21st to 25th of October 2019 at the University of Port Harcourt, on the topic Global Varsity Unique Literacy Program or Practice, or you can add methodology for basic literacy, reading and writing skills as a tool for repositioning adult education in Nigeria, and with the above recommendations. Our greatest thanks goes to God in heaven, who has inspired Global Varsity and commissioned us for mass literacy in Nigeria, and also to all organizations like UNESCO, UNDP, and more, and the individuals, MEC and NOGAS, and other individuals that are working assiduously for the war against mass literacy in Nigeria. We say thank you all.